All right, let's get this started. Get rid of that. Pop that one back. Greetings. Okay. So, like it says in the description, if you read it, we're going to start with, well, we're going to start with this stupid thing, right? This is a Helium Hotspot. Now, whoa, hey camera, how about you stay straight for me there? If you don't know what a Helium Hotspot is, a couple years ago during the height of the, crypto thing, Helium was supposed to be another token that was out there, and the deal was that you could set, one of these up in your Windows, and it worked off of RF. That's actually a radio, transceiver right there, right? That you'd be sending packets back and forth between other stations like this, between the internet, and this thing would also pick up, like, hold on, let me move this camera a little bit so I'm in the middle. There we go. Would also pick up, like, LoRa signals. I think it's like 800 megahertz, 900 megahertz, something like that. And you could route, LoRa signals over this Helium network. And, okay, cool. These weren't cheap. I'm not going to tell you what I paid for it, but let's just say it wasn't cheap. Yeah, and after these all of a sudden came out, there was a bunch of different brands of these, right? And people started buying these, but nobody was delivering. And I came like this close to canceling my order because, I ordered it, I think it was May of 21 or April or something. Oh yeah, we're going to ship in May, right? Or maybe it was, I don't remember exactly when it was, but oh, we're going to ship them in May. June comes around. No, we're going to ship them in July. I don't think I got this like October or November, and I was like this close to being like, yeah, this is bullcrap. I'm never going to get it. And then it shipped, and I got it, and it actually did some things for a little while. I mean, it did the transactions, did the, I don't remember right now. It was there was traffic, and then geniuses at Helium decided to just completely change what the platform was, what it started, and just went all crypto nuts on it. And then of course everything fell apart, and now nobody gives a shit. So I want to see what's inside of this. I have heard that these have like the Raspberry Pi boards in them. Obviously there's a LoRa transceiver there. Maybe that's just a hat. I don't know. This thing's a paperweight now, so I'm going to tear it apart and see what I can do with it. So let's get to work. Now I'm going to guess that these are screws under here. See if we can pop this off. Yep. And I may have been incorrect about some details about the whole Helium thing, but whatever, that doesn't matter now. Alright, let's see if we can find a screwdriver small enough to get down there. I have one. I thought it was sitting right here. I thought I saw it before the stream started. Will that one work? Yeah, that'll work. It's probably the one I was thinking of. The heck is that? Alright, moment of truth here. Yep, almost. Alright, so there's... Hold on a second, get this SM8 antenna off of here. Can I just unhook that? Ooh, I'll bet you I can. Let's see here. Is that threaded on from the back or the front? Oh, I see, it's in a little notch right there. Okay, okay. Oh, it's actually like threaded on from the outside, so yeah, that's useful. Get these little screws out of the way. I'll move myself over. See, now the camera's all out of whack again. Whatever. Try and get in here. There we go. No, come on. There. Get that out of the way. So what do we got? We have Syncrobit. Now, place for an SD card. That's useful. I'm guessing... Do they actually have a little proprietary, like, proprietary board in here? That's not something I can repurpose. That... the LEDs, I love this, are just little crappy... I paid a lot of money for this, and it's kind of really disappointing to see that this is what I paid money for right here. I mean, okay, I guess, but, you know... Well, that's convenient. We can reuse these. These are only 3-wire connection. Cool. Okay, so there's... Huh. Fan is also on another connection. So let's just unhook. Come on now. Why doesn't it just come apart? There we go. And this one. I'm gonna have to see if I can figure out what 3 wires, how they did this, unless it's like a digital signal. Well, what are the other ones? I got, I don't know. I got some in a box around here somewhere. So is that like sonic welded, or is that just got standoffs? I hope it's not sonic welded. Ooh, nuts. Oh, okay, good, good, good. Try not to break anything getting it out of here. Okay, why won't that move? There we go. So what am I looking at here? I honestly don't know. We got an SD card here. I'm trying to read some of these chips. ZGP40KLs. That may be a... Well, that camera's like zoomed in right on me, isn't it? That's a little weird. Sorry. I'll try not to lean directly into the camera. So this is our LoRa board, I guess. It's a fan. I wonder if this is a compute module. Right here, maybe? I don't have a clue what I'm looking at here. JTAG, looks like there's another USB port, serial port, maybe. Again, I'm not an expert. I'm just guessing off of what I know. This big 100, now those look like coils, which being a radio transceiver makes a lot of sense. Let's see if I can get these screws off of here and see what's underneath this little doodad. So far, I'm not holding out hope that any of this can be repurposed. It's... maybe? No custom hardware. You know, that's why these things cost so much, probably, is because they had to source all these boards from China during the middle of the pandemic. And, or at least that's what they said, you know. It was probably figuring out ways to profit off the float. I don't know. I'm speculating. I never went in on crypto, except for just a few $100s to dip my toes, and, you know. So let's see. That should have got some of this separate. Okay, that took that off. Okay, so here we got. Yeah, Raspberry Pi Compute Module 4. Okay, so I got something I can use here. That's cool. Yeah, so that's cool. Does this connect how? Is that just the connector on the back? I really have no idea. I think so. Yep, okay, cool. and little standoffs. That one just came off of the... just got heat sink compound everywhere. On my pliers, that's going to be fun. Try not to get that all over my hand. Come on here. You got little pieces like this that popped out. Get back in there. Let's see if I can get this heat sink off of there. Well, looks like I'll be getting heat sink on my fingers every time I use this from now on. But anyway, so yeah. Raspberry Pi Compute Module 4. I believe it says 4. Let's clean that off. Yep, sure enough. Can I tell how much RAM it's got? I cannot. Let's see. Raspberry Pi, 20 copyright 2020, 2 ABCB RPI SIEM 4. Oh no, that's interesting. Is there like, it was like actually, or is that just crud from inside it? That's just crud from inside it. How much RAM do you have? I don't even know how this works. Boy, look at that. There's like threads coming off the fiberglass here. Wow. There's got to be a way to check. Let me turn around here and see what I can find out. Wake up, computer. Identify RAM Pi Compute Module 4. Visually determine CM4 configuration. Any simple way, la la la. Look up the part numbers on the RAM. Reminder that 8 gigabyte equals, or gigabit is 1 gigabyte. Right, okay. So, that's what I was afraid of. Nope. What are we looking at? I can't even hardly read this, my old ass eyes here. I can't get it into frame and into the lamp at the same time. For HDM, okay. Enter the 5-digit. Oh, okay. So that's that chip, I guess. No, or is it that one? None of those are 5 digits. What the hell? Enter the 5-digit code on the chip. That one is 7. That one is 4. That one is like 12. Well, that's not helpful. Typically preceded by an MT mark. Okay, I still see none of that. So maybe this isn't a legit Pi board? I don't know. How do I find out? there's a 8 GB one that's missing. Huh. Interesting. So, huh. Well, that number I should be able to look up then, right? Spray Pi 2020 PCB. Dude, I cannot tell. Oh, wait a minute. FCCID 209. Well, that doesn't help me. CM. So that number is not on this board anywhere. Oh, are you kidding? Okay. Two 20953. Let me just look that up. 20953 dash RPI SIM 4. Is an IC that contains a hotspot. Ooh, ooh, nice. So, okay, yeah, that is exactly what that is. Okay. I should bring this up on here, because this is actually freaking useful. 20, let's see here. New window. Give me my keyboard down here. We'll get this lined out here. I don't care what's new in Chrome. Give me my new window like I... Carried over from the other computer. Here we go. Let's get you guys looking at it. Display capture. Okay. The RPI... Where'd it go? There it is. Okay. You can't see me, I don't think, on this anyway. But this little guy here is this little guy. So, 20953 RPI IC that contains a hotspot. It uses antenna with the maximum gain. So, okay, the Wi-Fi hotspot and the LoRa antenna. I wonder if that can be reused for ham radio in any way. Okay. So, I still have no way to tell what RAM is in here, though. But that is interesting that this has, and so then this board, okay, let's switch back to the camera here. Apologies, I do not have this set up the greatest. This board here, zoom back out. Whoops, I never took that off the screen. I'm sorry, guys. I thought I disabled that. There we go. So then I'm guessing what that is... Ooh, that's also screwed down. Okay. Then this would be the actual transceiver module. Would have to be. With maybe this is the proprietary part of this, which would explain why it's underneath this little heatsink shield, or is that because it's RF and has to be shielded? I don't know, but I'm gonna have to take that off to see what the hell is going on underneath it. Yeah, okay, so this is absolutely the actual transceiver, because you've got TXRX config, you've got a TRX. Oh, so you can actually have a separate receive transmit antenna, because here's also a transmit header. Cool. But the meat of this thing is this guy, and I honestly couldn't tell you I couldn't really tell you how or how this could be reused, if it could be reused. I really don't know. That's too bad, because I mean, there's got to be a way to get into that. There's got to be maybe a way to use this. I mean, this heatsink in itself is pretty freaking useful. So that's a freebie right there. Freebie. That's not freebie. Let's just put it that way. And this, well, I guess I'll have to do some research. Maybe somebody's figured out a way to route this and turn it into something else. I don't know. But yeah, I gotta find something to put all these parts into. But that's that. So where are we at? That was a whole 20 minutes. Ooh. Try and get all the pieces of this together. I always zoom the wrong direction. It doesn't matter what I do. So let's just pile this up here. No. Try not to get heatsink compound all over everything, though, because I don't want heatsink compound all over everything. We'll do that and get that out of the way. Okay. Keyboard. Stand by while I grab this goofy little TV. Run out of places to put these open devices, man. Now, if you watch the stream, I don't think I've published the video that I made from that stream, but it was this little portable television, I think from like 1973, 4, something like that. Dang it, now I got into some dust again, so if I'm sniffling and sneezing, that kind of crap, I apologize. So what I'm gonna do here is dig into this and see if we can figure out why the TV isn't working. The problem is all the screws. Oops, I lost one from the hotspot. Who cares, right? Oh, I lost a bunch of them from the hotspot. Well, that's cute. How'd that happen? Hope I didn't lose them in the floor. But anyway, isn't there a lock? The TV in this, we got it fired up, had it hooked up to the bench power. TV didn't work. Now, I didn't up the current limiter, so maybe it wasn't giving enough current to wake this up. I'm gonna hook it back up and we're gonna find out. So let me put this back again. I don't want to open this back up all the way yet, because this was how we did this. We had this feed. Where'd the other one go? There it is. There leads from the power supply. And then I should have another lead to connect. Where'd it go? A little double clamp, little double clip lead that I had the other day, and now of course it's gone. I love it. Oh, wow. Yeah. Story of my life here. Stuff I think is right here, and it's gone. And these won't reach unless I open this up all the way and remove the cover. So let's remove the cover, I guess. Okay. So now, and see, I wonder if this thing's already been serviced once in its life. I don't know. But TV is not working. So what we need to do is connect that together. Then and I should preface this by, ooh, that's actually like exposed to that direction. I don't want that hitting anything. Yeah, that's Well, that should be fine. Okay, so now this is what I ran into. Was I'm looking at the bottom of it now, so I have no control over anything. Yeah. So let's tilt it up like that. Eek. No, no. Bollocks, that's caught in the handle. There we go. Okay. That should be good. That's not touching anything. Let me insert something non-conductive in there. Just to be sure it's not going to hit anything, because I don't want the positive arcing out on the chassis or something like that. Am I winging it? 100%. There are probably much better ways to do this that involve actually taking care and precautions and stuff like that. Let me just grab the electrical tape and wrap it up a little, I guess. Or just slap a square onto it. I hope the guy who invented electrical tape died a millionaire. Alright, that should protect that from getting messed up. Okay, now, here's our bottom. Can I tip this so that y'all can see what is going on? Yeah, I think I actually can. Okay, so, power, no smoke, good. Have no current draw. Let me change the current limit to, let's say, 3 amps. Why does that say 3 volts at 3 amps? That's not right. There we go. 12 volts. You can't see that, but I'm running 12. Let's turn that 12. Let's run a little bit higher. 12 and a half. Okay, there's my volume. Okay, now. Oh, I need to go grab that so I know what. So I know what I'm looking at, right? Okay, so that is on TV right now. Okay, so pop that up. And there is absolutely nothing there. Boy, yeah, look at, no, you can't, the reflection in the screen right here, that's interesting. I guess it's just, yeah, okay, whatever. But yeah, I don't see anything on that tube at all. And it's still only drawing 0.7 amps. Well, that's, there's a radio. Let's find a nice talk station so we don't have the copyright gods. I mean, considering the reception hole I'm in, this is wild. Picks up a lot. Come on. Whatever. AM, FM. Let's try. Well, anyway, let's switch it back TV, right? It's TV. Oh, now we got 0.8. Yeah, what's going on? So. That's annoying as hell, isn't it? Turn that down. What can I see in here? Not much. you can see there's a cover right here covering the entire back side of that tube, so that's actually probably the circuitry for the television. I'll bet this was a servicing nightmare, wasn't it? Wow. Alright, so I have to get, let's shut this down. I have to figure out how to get this out of, let's see, this is, oh my god, how the heck, there's gotta be a way to just get this out of here so that you can, like, work on it, right? There's gotta be a way. I'm sure there is, it's just not gonna be an easy way, right? Good lord. What's that? That's just a little... Oh, there's lots of dust inside of there. Oh, sorry. Let me mute this right quick. Alright, well, anyway, blasted a little bit of that out of there. So that's the hinge right here. If I'd unscrewed it from that, this whole, God, what the heck? I honestly couldn't tell you. That's just a piece of cardboard. What happens if I push that back down in there? What happens? There's got to be a quote-unquote simple way to do this, right? And look at this. You even got little boards like tucked inside the sides here. I mean, oh my god. Okay. Does this... Wait a second. Okay, so this front comes off. Does this just come off of that? Some wires pulled tight there. I don't really want pulled tight. I think this cover comes off. Ooh, wait a minute. What just happened there? So that actually came out. Ah, what? Okay, sure. Yep, got into the dust again. Great, awesome. Because this is like already separated in places. Does it just pop off of here? I don't know. The weirdest part is that there's only like just a few wires going into this. I see 3 wires on that side and 4 wires on that side going into the thing, that the hinge pin there. Okay, there's 2 screws down there. That attached. Oh, I have no idea, but this should pop out. No, that's... God, I don't know. I may have to just put this up so that y'all aren't witness to this hemming and hawing and poking around fruitlessly here. But then again, this is what we deal with. So, was this... I don't want to break it, but it's like already partially loose down here. Oh, wait. No, okay. Because that is a separate piece What the heck? Tell you what, the Japanese have a way of overcomplicating things. To this day, even. Where you just go, what? No. Yeah, I'm chewing up the edge of it there with this. So what? Okay. Huh. Oh, yeah, and then the controls back here. Oh, wait a minute. There's screws on the outside. That's always a good sign, right? Ah. What is that wire for? Oh, that's for like a... I don't know what that is. I don't know. Right here. What is that? There's a little hole there that just goes nowhere. So it's possible this cover might come off. I just want to see if there's like some obvious damage to like the neck or something. But I can't even get in here to see what I'm looking at. Yeah, that's... Ooh, 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 ooh. Ooh, okay. Oh, here we go. No, come on, baby. You can do it. Haha. It's like I knew it couldn't be that complicated. Well, no, I didn't. Okay. So that was a little bit loose. Oh, come there. Please come off. Oh, you're so close. Look at this. No, how does that come off the rest of the way? Okay. Come on, you know you want to. Oh. Yeah, okay, so I see. Yeah. Oh. Please. Oh, it's so close to coming out of here. Yeah, okay. Oh, God, that's... Okay. A couple of transistors on the top of this. Rather, okay, so that can just sit like that, right? Okay. I'll have to check the power leads before I power it back on. Let's just unplug that. But it's still... let me mute this so I can blow some of this crap out of here without killing y'all. Alright, well, I honestly, we got that far, but where do we go from here? Oh, wow. I have not checked that voltage, and I do not have a thing to do it with, so I am not comfortable sticking my pinkies or any metal device up in here. I gotta have something I can use, though. Right? Here we go. Plastic pen. Alright, so this neck, I don't even know if this is gonna... Well, I mean, it's not moving at all, which is, you know, I was thinking maybe the neck was, you know, broken, flopping around, but no. Okay. So yeah, to work on this, I have to get this entire module out of here. Oh, wow. But yeah, then like I said, there's only those 8 wires going in. 7 wires. So you can see this, but everything comes in through these hinges. You got this big gray one, green, yellow, is that black? Yeah. And you got red, blue, and There's like another brown wire coming in there, and that's it. 7 wires. Let me see what I can see in here. Let me see if you can see what I'm seeing in here. Yikes. I mean, there's, you know, capacitors down in there that could be gone. Hard to say. Without getting this whole thing out and being able to look at it. Nothing jumps out at me going, oh, here's the problem, you know, that kind of crap. So, never does, though, does it? Yeah, I don't know. Oh, anyway, well, crap. I was hoping we'd be able to dig further into this than that. But, apparently, not so much. I wonder if there's something like when this, like some kind of safety that won't let this tube power up when I have the case open? I wouldn't think so, but the hell do I know, right? Would they have cared in 1972, 3, whenever this was? Does this have a date on the bottom? Oh. It does not, actually. Well, you'll just have to trust me. It was like 71, 2, 3, I don't know. But anyway, yeah, I'm going to have to put this down and, like, just absolutely go to town on this. And, quite frankly, I want to get to this tape deck because, well, I'll tell you the story when I get it over here, so. This is, I bought this tape deck in like, oh god, like 2000, 2001-ish, maybe. Maybe before that, I don't know. But my kids used it to play, you know, their silly little kid tapes on, right? Back about that time. 2001, 2, 3, 4, you know. And, well, here it is. But listen. There's stuff floating around in here, and the big one, though, is I'm pretty sure they broke it because it doesn't work anymore. It's like mechanically jacked up. Let me plug this in here. I don't know if you'll be able to see in here or not. God, crap, falling. I mean, I don't know why. What's in there? We're going to find out in a minute, though. Turn this on, right? Oh, wait, I got to turn that on. Anyway, turn it on. The eject buttons work, yeah. Okay, here we go. You can see the play buttons now, right? Okay, like, for example, if I press play on this side, right? This one should start working, and it should work. But nothing works. Let's close that. Well, I guess I had to have a tape in it or something, but it would do stuff. Yeah, I guess I have to have tape in here. Of course, I don't have one sitting in front of me. But let's just say that weird things are happening. The play, it doesn't. Yeah, I guess it knows that there's a tape in there. Can I fool it? Yeah, here we go. But you go to play, right? And like the wheels on the opposite side would turn. Or it would move. So like something in the mechanism that moves, you know, the parts around is really jacked up because it's doing stuff it's not supposed to do. And yeah, I got a whole box of tapes I was going to test to get rid of on eBay. It's like, well, I need to make sure they work. I'll just throw on my tape deck, right? I pick this thing up and I'm like, why is it making noise? Yeah, nothing would play because the mechanicals were just, they're just messed up. So kids, if you break your dad's stereo equipment, just say, hey, we accidentally broke your stereo equipment, and don't kill us. Because now here it is all these years later, and I thought this thing worked. What the hell is that sitting on? Boy, it's totally uneven too. Nice. I'll have to tweak that before I do anything else, because it's driving me crazy. Oh, that's not leveling? Get the heck out of here. These feet aren't actually, you can't level it up. I mean, look, I'll be the first to admit that this was a cheap piece of junk. You know, this was like, I think this was less than $100 when I bought it. So, usual 2 on the side, on each side, and 1 in the back. Well, good points for Sony for following convention, I guess. If that's a convention, I don't even know. And oh look, here I am again without something to put my nuts and bolts into. Every damn time. Here we go, this will work, okay. The one thing that I need to do before stream, right? Ah! Here it goes. Try not to round these out too much. That would... Oh, I found out what was in there, or at least partially in there. Check this out. There's a penny in there. From what? From when? I just am dead and really curious. 1999? 1999 or 1990? Zero. I can't tell. 1990. Great. 1990 Denver penny just fell out of there. Cassette deck is not a piggy bank, kids. Alright. Ooh, that sounded like whatever that screws into just separated and fell out. Oh, shit! What was that? Something just fell off of there. What the hell just happened? Something just fell off. Hold on, I gotta find out what just fell off of here. Something just fell off in my face and hit the floor. And I have no idea what it was. What the hell was that? Alright, where did it go? I know I saw it. I'm not completely crazy. I did see that, right? I don't know if you guys saw it or not. Something fell off of there. Like, off of the foot here or something. That was bizarre. I don't know. Something fell off of there and I heard it hit the floor. Oh, wait a minute. Nope, that's not it, I don't think. Yeah, okay. Well, I'm going to have to look a little closer here in a minute. Anyway, what's inside of this? Okay, there's the cover. Oh, good. There's not a whole lot in here. Great. Awesome. Cool. So what? Oh, hey, look at this. Check it out. There's a quarter. There's another quarter. Hey, I got 50 cents out of this. 2001. Pooey. 2001 New York State and the Maryland 2000 quarter. Okay. Anything else? Yep, something. I hear. But, yeah, okay. First thing I need to do is go find a tape. Now, I'm pretty sure I just had one. Dust. Oh, I'll blast this out too. Hold on a sec. Oh, man. Let me find a cassette that I think works anyway. Oh wait, here we go. Head cleaner demagnetizer, perfect. So, anyway, oh, it's still plugged in and turned on. Kids, always unplug your stuff when you're working on it. No matter what morons like me do. Okay, so here it is. You can see it's turned on. Like that. Now rewind. Cannot see inside of there. Which means neither can you. You hear that? That's fast forward, nothing's happening. There's rewind. Nothing's happening. Play. Grind, nothing's happening. Reverse. Absolutely nothing. Okay. Well, let's try the other side. Oh yeah, and then it like doesn't want to let go. Ooh. Ooh. That's not good. Ooh, not good at all. Crap. I can't get it back out. Yeah, cool. Well, great. Okay. Yeah, and if I pull too hard on something here, it's gonna snap, and I don't want to break it any more than it's already broke. So, awesome. Let's unplug, turn it off, and unplug it. Oh, wait a minute. There was a piece of something fell out of there. A little plastic tab or something. That's never a good sign. So there's the lever on that side. And there's the lever on this side. Okay. See, it comes open part way. But not enough. Huh. Yeah, that's interesting. If I move this one. Oh, wow, okay. Huh. I wonder if there is a belt missing here. Well, I don't, I can't tell. I don't think so. Sorry, you have to look at the back of my head here, but I'm trying to see if there's like anything else jammed up inside of there. Another coin or Pokemon card or something like that, you know. Something here. There's something going on there, which probably explains why it's jammed. Okay. Well, in that case, shoot, I really don't want to have to take this entire front apart. Maybe I don't have to. You know, well, this board is connected via some kind of connector. It looks like maybe I can just remove it. Crud. Yeah, there's something else jammed. I mean, you can hear it in there, right? Well, now there's something else jammed in there somewhere. Question is where? Let me look inside. Oh, wait a minute, that sounded promising. It just like rolled somewhere else. Did it fall out? No. It still's not letting that open. Yeah, there's something in there. That shouldn't be there. And I can't get it out of there. Yeah. Great. Well, like I said, pardon me while I stick my head on here. and see if I can see what I'm looking at. I don't know. It's not. Now I can hear it rolling around in here. So something. Damn crappy flashlight. Something is rolling around in this mechanism. I can hear it. I can feel it. And I suspect it's what's blocking this from ejecting. Which, okay, let's look at this side. When that opens up, that falls open. Y'all have no idea what I'm looking at. I'm trying to see. This opens up, right? What would cause that to jam? So if I do this, okay. What is, oh, that's just, okay, I see. All right. I can't find it. I cannot see this. What is blocking, what is jamming this up? Boy, there's like little pieces of shredded, looks like metal shavings, but I'm pretty sure it's not metal shavings. You can see this? Probably not. It's pretty small. But yeah, this is not going to work, is it? Maybe? Come on. Focus. It's not going to focus on this. But there again, you'll just have to trust me. It was like a little tiny plastic shaving. It looked like, you know, a little pigtail metal shaving. So something's grinding on something. Hopefully that didn't destroy whatever it is. Yeah, this is ridiculous. I'm gonna have to end up taking this off of here, and it's, I don't want to have to do that, because, but those just pop right out. Yes, they do. That one goes behind, so let's see. Okay. So there's your power board. That, okay, that looks like that should come off here. But it's a type of connector I don't recognize. That's neat. Now, does this follow the rule of, yeah, it does actually. Pop that. Let me pop the front off of this one then. Maybe it'll magically fix itself. Ooh. Haha, now I can see down inside of there. Haha, okay. This might be progress. but again, I see no reason. I don't see anything. Oh, wait a minute. There's a penny. Jammed down in there. That might be causing the problem, although it's on the opposite side, which is weird, but I don't, yeah, who knows, right? Oh, come on. It's like jammed in there pretty good, too. $19.95 Denver. Well, that obviously didn't fix that. Okay. Interesting. Okay, there's a hook back here. Okay. All right, this hook is not... Oh, no, that is working. Well, then what's the problem? Oh, the wheel is stuck in the tape. Okay, the mechanism is like jammed up inside of it. Yeah. Well, that's neat. Why would that happen? I don't know. All right, let's plug this back in. And see what happens, because that, maybe that penny was, is there anything else? No. Okay, so that was the last of the coinage, 52 cents. Oh crap, I got all these unplugged, don't I? Idiot. Duh. That one I never did. That one goes there. This one goes here, and I believe that was it. Okay, there it's on. Alright, take the tape again. Now it won't go in. That mechanism is something wrong. Jamming that in place. Well, there it looks right. It looks like it's in the right place compared to this side. Does this side work? Okay, this is progress. Ooh, never mind. So it won't do anything still. It won't fast forward, it won't, yeah. Huh. Yeah. Well, this is fun. Won't fast forward, won't rewind, won't do anything. And now that's stuck in there like the other one. Okay. So we're still looking at a mechanism problem, huh? That's jammed up in there. Interesting. Is this tape stuck? I thought I used it. I better check, huh? No, there's slack in this tape, so that's not the problem. Ah, dust. Well, this is fun. I mean, there's dust in here like nobody's business. Like I said, oh god, sorry, Mike. I didn't mean it first. But yeah, that whole mechanism is not. Oh, what the hell? That thinks that that's up there still. Look at that. What the hell? That should not be like that. It's moving the roller, and it's moving that. Okay. What the hell? Okay. Now on this side, it's not coming up. And it, okay, this is what it was doing to me before. Was this side is stuck up into the tape. This side won't even move, and this roller's moving when I do anything. Look at that. This is what it was doing. So yeah, okay. Like I said, there's something. Yeah, now that ejects just fine. That's weird. That's moving, and this one is not. Now that one's like locked. Oh, that's weird. Huh. I was hoping this was going to be an easy fix. And I don't think it's going to be. Oh, wait a minute. What happened here? Okay, is there a little switch right there? So, what does that do? Oh, that's bizarre. So how does that know? Okay, that's interesting. Yeah, there's another lever. Like I said, these mechanisms are just insane. But there's something here. Yeah, difference between these two sides here with it turned off is there's a lever here. Probably can't see it. No, there's no way you're gonna be able to see it. But there's a hole in the back of there, and there's a deal that goes up and down. And there's a little pin that sticks out. And on this side, it's out and stuck. And on this side, it's up and behind there. And I'm not sure why. And that part that goes up and down is tied to the mechanism at the bottom. So, yeah. Now, shouldn't that lock into place, though? And now that won't do anything. Okay. That's weird. That should sense that there's nothing in there, I think, is what's going on. But how? How does that do that? Oh, that's bizarre. Okay. question is, why is this mechanism locking up instead of down? There's no tape in here. I am confused. Yeah, this is interesting. Like there's something should be locking that down. But I wonder if there's another coin floating in here that's got something else jammed up. Because now I shouldn't be able to put that tape in there. Yeah. See, I can't put that tape in there because that mechanism is up. Oh, this is weird. This is very strange. Why is that mechanism jammed in the up position? Oh wow, the head rotates based on that. On the direct. Oh, that's interesting. I always thought these auto reverse tape decks had like two heads or something. No, it's on a little rotating thing. Oh, that's a trip. What? Oh, because it's up and it thinks it's, yeah, okay. Yeah, that's bizarre too. What the? Yeah, this is weird. Okay. I wonder if there's another coin in here somewhere jamming up something else and I just can't see it. Yeah, much like that TV, I'm gonna have to take this whole bleeding thing apart, unfortunately. Why is this computer yelling at me? I don't know. Download and install. No, I don't want to update Get for Windows right bloody now. So, yeah, this is damned interesting, isn't it? We've still got mechanism problems, but I got to figure out how to get this extracted from here. I mean, these will disconnect. I'm pretty sure this disconnects from here somehow. Well, maybe. I don't know. Yeah, okay, well. Thanks for watching, I guess. I don't know if I'll be doing any of this right away because I still have other videos I got to finish editing and get out there from other streams. But I see one eyeball from Twitch. If you're real, I appreciate you watching. Everybody else, thanks for showing up whenever you did. And I'm going to go rip my hair out.